Got a really easy one here today. We're going to, in 15 minutes or less, install these OEM Blackout side marker lamps. I'm going to cut that wheel over. I'm going to use our Torx here. We're going to take these 4 bolts out just to get access back here. This thing is so easy. You're going to pull this back. We're going to get up in there, and we're going to squeeze the top of that lamp. Pop out the top, and then we're going to pull it upwards. Disconnect the connector. Look at that. Plug it back in. A little click. Look at that. Now let's get those screws back in and enjoy.